it's me, Kian, the clown with camera, the artist with camera, and today I'm gonna tell you how to make this Gothic Lolita makeup. And before we start, don't forget to follow me, and let's go! And Lolita makeup, let's go! As you may see, I already put my lenses on, and we start with primer. Mine is Can Make Tokyo. And now let's try the primer, but I have a life hack. Ta-da! And next up is concealer. Because it's a Lolita makeup, we need a lot of concealer under our eye bags, on our smile lines, and cover all the acne. And I also cover a bit of my lips. In some of the Lolita makeup, people usually cover their brows with glue, with toner cream, but I won't cover my brows because I think they're pretty thin. I just leave them like this. And the next step, I'm gonna cover my face with Clear Kill Cover Cushion. And now it's time for blush. In this makeup, we need a lot of blush, so I apply my blush on these areas. Now let's fix everything with powder. And now time for quick contouring. I just take dark shade and apply a bit on my nose and a bit like this. Then on my nose, in Lolita we need like a button nose, so I just draw a circle like this, and then we can draw a small two lines like this, like 11, but I don't recommend you to draw long 11s because in Lolita we have to make our face smaller and more like a round face. Then I take light color and draw, let us see, like this. Now I take this Flower Nose Black Swan palette, go for white color and just duplicate, let us see, here. And let's take the same white color, tap on the bottom of our nose. And when we have this circle, we can go a bit from side to the side. And with the same white, the same brush, we make the line here. And now I take two thin brushes. Today I want to make a Gothic Lolita makeup, so I take Gothic palette, this brush, and go for this color. Now I'm gonna draw my eyeshadow. Then I take this brush and take the same color. I fill this color here, just like here. And then with no color, just with same brush, I go to the wall, my lower lashes. Now I take super thin and super flat brush, take this gray color, and from the start of our lenses, I just draw. And let's take this brush and the same color and just add here. Should look like this. And now let's do the liner. So now I will fill all my upper lashes. As you see, I've made a pretty big under eyeliner. I made a corner and then I drew eyeliner under my bottom lashes. Now we're already becoming more dolly. I'll take white color again and highlight yourself. And now this brush again and gray color again. Just blend a bit our line. And now we can draw a bit our future liner. And just start drawing. That's the final eyeliner, and I also want to add with this eyeliner my bottom lashes. Now I brush my brows, and I take brow palette and just draw. I think I can add a bit concealer on the corners of my eyebrows. Now let's wait like this until concealer actually fixed, or just use this life hack. Now we can blend it, and not adding concealer, just that we have this. We can just tap a bit on the brows to make them a bit lighter. And now fix everything with the same powder. Now let's use curler and mascara. Now let's glue fake lashes. That's how lashes will look. Now finally lips, the last step. I'll just take the regular lip pencil and at first I'll draw the line. When we're done this line, we can blend it and I'm gonna add very dark color on my lips. Just a bit and blend. Any lip gloss. And let's make our hair and put the headdress. And that's the result. I hope my hair looks good because that's not a wig, that's my actual hair. Let me know what you think about this tutorial of Gothic Lolita makeup and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!